Hey guys, today we are going to work a little more with area, but this time we are going to know the area, but we're not going to know both sides. Okay, so if you look at the top question, it says Katie's notebook has an area of 88 square inches. Her notebook is 8 inches wide. How long is Katie's notebook? So if you notice, it is drawn right here. Okay, right in here. Okay, I know the area is 88. However, I only know one side. Okay, so I know that the formula for area is area's length times width. So I have my width here, but I'm missing this side. So what I'm going to ask myself is 8 times what gives me 88? So 88 equals 8 times question mark. Okay, you can use your multiplication chart and your planner, okay, to help you. But I'm thinking 8 times what gives me 88? Well, it has to be 11 because 8 times 11 equals 88. So my missing side would equal 11 inches. Okay, let's do this first one together. So I want you to find number 1 on your paper, okay? And I know that the area, it tells me that my area is 40 square centimeters. Okay, so that means 8, my length, or my length, times what gives me 40. So this is how I'd write that in an equation. Okay, I would write 40 equals 8 times what? Okay, well, I know my facts. So 8 times 5 gives me 40. So this unknown side has to be 5. Then I'd write it down on the answer sheet. Let's do one more together. Okay. If I know my area is 72. Okay. So 72. And I know my formula for area is length times width. Okay. So I know one of my sides is 12. And I had to times it by my other side, but I don't know what that is. So I'm thinking 12 times what equals 72. Okay, you can find a multiplication chart in your planner. It's towards the back, and it has up to your 12. So if you follow your 12s down, find 72, and then follow it across to see what times 12 equals 72. Okay. And I know that 12 times 6 equals 72. So my unknown side has to be 6. So I'm going to write it down here, 6 millimeters. Today, I would like you to complete the rest of the problems on the page, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then if you scroll down to number 7, it has a word problem. Okay, I want you to notice after they describe the rectangle that Gerald built, okay, it tells you what the area is right here. It tells you what the area is right here. Okay, it also tells you one of the sides. Notice this direction right here. It says draw and label a diagram of the table. So you're going to draw a rectangle. You know one side is 4 feet, so just like the ones up top, okay? And then you know that the whole area is 24. So you're thinking 4 times what equals 24. You're going to draw your rectangle and label what you know right here in that space.